Hi and welcome to Power by Code. My name is Tommy and today I'll show you how to create a Verus REST API using Node.js. One of the great things about Verus is that you have direct access to a set of primitives through the native Verus CLI or Verus Desktop App. Using remote procedural calls, that means you can use Node.js to send commands to the Verus blockchain using HTML5. No need for coding your own smart contracts to handle basic stuff and security. It is already on layer 1 for you to use. In the native terminal of the Verus Desktop app, you can run and test remote procedure calls. You can write run get mining info, and a JSON object will return with values. You can write run help, and a list of commands will return. This is the list of commands you will be calling from Node.js. I will add a link to all remote procedure calls with examples in the description below. In Visual Studio Code, I have created a Node.js project. If this is very new for you, check out my video about how to create a Node.js project. If you want to download a copy of my project, you can go to the webpage github.com/TommyFPeterson/Verus-REST API. Feel free to download, clone, or use part of the code as you like. In the package.json, use CORS to help securing connections, .env to keep RPC username and password in a safe place, Express to make routing easy, and Nodemon for auto reload when saving code. Add a config.js file. In the config file, add a model.export model with RPC_username, RPC_password, Verus_node address, and if you like, a ED to keep track of your versions. The RPC username and password is added in the .env file. If you do not upload your files online, you can just add your RPC username and password in config.js. The Verus node address and port is the default address of the Verus CLI. If you use Windows, you can find or change the RPC username and password in VRSC.conf in the folder appdata/komodo/VRSC. If you use Linux or Mac OS, you can find the VRSC.conf location in the README file in the project, or you can pause the video and copy the path. The README file also contains instructions about how to install and use my project. Add an index.js file where you require .env.config, initiate Express. Use CORS to limit the access to your Express server. At the moment, all domains have access. Add a folder called routes. Here you can structure your code as you like. I'm following the structure of the RPCs to keep things simple and easy to navigate and maintain when changes will be added in the future. Add the routes in the index.js and create the files in the routes folder. In the address index file in routes, you can require your config file to get access to your RPC username and password. Easier to maintain if you change username or password in the future. Create router get function that match your needs. I keep the structure of the RPCs and use params to add user input and sync to support await. In the fetch call, I use post method and add the correct headers with your RPC username and password. Add a body JSON object with the method and params you want to use. Look in the link below in the description to find details about methods and params. Return the result as a JSON file or return an error message if you like. In the browser, the routes with parameters should be like this, and the JSON result like this. That's it. You can now create your own Verus REST API using Node Express. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe button.